This video presents an interview conducted as a part of our Gender and Society activity. It focuses on exploring real-life experiences related to gender issues in today's society. The interview highlights how individuals experience, understand, and respond to gender-related situations in their daily lives. It also allows participants to share their personal perspective and reflections openly. Through these shared experiences, viewers can better understand the impact of gender norms and expectations. The interview serves as a bridge between academic concepts and real-world realities. It emphasizes the importance of listening to diverse voices. Overall, this video aims to provide meaningful insights into gender issues through authentic stories. The main purpose of this interview is to deepen awareness and understanding of gender-related concerns. It seeks to examine how gender influences personal experiences, relationships, and opportunities. By hearing first-hand accounts, viewers gain clearer pictures of the challenges individuals face. The interview also highlights how people cope with discrimination, bias, or misunderstanding. It encourages reflection on how society shapes and gender roles and identities. Through honest dialogue, the activity promotes empathy and critical thinking. The shared experiences help challenges stereotypes and misconceptions. Ultimately, the interview supports learning through real and relatable narratives. Before we begin, it is important to recognize that this interview aims to promote awareness, acceptance, and respect for all individuals. The stories shared are intended to educate rather than judge. They encourage viewers to approach gender issues with sensitivity and openness. This interview also promotes inclusivity by valuing different identities and experiences. It reminds us that everyone's story is valid and worthy of respect. By listening carefully, we can foster understanding and compassion. The activity encourages constructive conversation about gender and society. Overall, it aims to create a safe space of learning, respect, and social awareness.
So I am Josephine Rose.
And I am Nicole. And today we will going to conduct an interview as part of our class activity where we aim to learn more about the real life experiences related to the gender and equality.
In this interview partner, we will be asking her about her personal background and her challenges she encountered. So, partner, alamin natin kung sino nga ba ang ating interview today. Ready ka na ba? And 3, 2, 1, let's go!
So, Miss Cindy, can you introduce yourself?
So, I am Joyce Balumita, 20 years old, and I am living in Balatan, Camarines.
So, can you describe or how can you describe your personality?
So, I am ambivert because sometimes I want to be alone and sometimes I want to go with friends and jump with them. And I love riding, long ride, ganyan.
So, what are the dreams or goals are you currently working on?
I am currently studying Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Ed and major in Food Service Management. And also, I'm working on to get my diploma.
So, when it comes to the gender issues or experience, when did you first become aware of those gender issues?
When I was young, I have a cousin that opened his gender. And by that, I became aware of what gender issue is. Because I saw my cousin being discriminated and bullied of other people, especially with his classmates, because he is gay. Because of how people treated my cousin, I honestly feel scared out in myself that I am attracted with same sex.
Did the situation affect your confidence or self-esteem, and how?
It affected me, but only temporarily. I felt hard at first, but as time passed, I learned to understand the situation better and realized I wasn't, this is not my fault. I also came to accept that there is nothing wrong with feelings or being attracted to same sex, and that my feelings are valid.
So, how has the experience changed your views on gender or equality?
So that experience made me realize how important understanding and acceptance truly are. And it opened my eyes to the fact that many people still struggle because of stereotypes, and that everyone deserves respect regardless of who they love. It strengthened my belief that equality should not just be a word, but we need to practice it in how we treat others. It also helped me become more confident in myself and more supportive of others who may be going through the same thing.
So, what advice would you like to give to someone that facing in a similar situation?
My advice is to never blame yourself for your feelings, because there is nothing wrong with being attracted to the same sex. Surround yourself with people who understand and respect you. And don't be afraid to seek support when you need it. Remember that your worth is not based on other people's opinion, and you deserve to be accepted just as you are. Stay true to yourself and take the time to heal what you're feeling is valid.
So, thank you for sharing your experience and insight with us.
Your story helped us understand the realities of gender issues and the importance of acceptance and equality.
And we truly appreciate your honesty and your willingness to be part of this interview. Thank you very much.
Discrimination based on gender remains a serious issue that affects many individuals in different environments, such as at home, in school, at work, and in the community. People may experience unfair treatment, such as a hurtful comments, bullying, or even exclusion, simply because they do not fit certain gender expectation or stereotypes. For some, this discrimination may come from traditional beliefs about what men, women, or LGBTQ+ individuals should be or how they should act. Behind every story of discrimination is a person trying to be accepted for who they are. Through this interview, we aim to highlight real experiences to understand how deeply gender-related issues can affect a person's mental, emotional, and social well-being. Hearing the story of Miss Joycidel Bombita, who faced discrimination, reminds us that these issues are not just a concept. They are real challenges that shapes people's confidence, sense of identity, and safety. At the same time, learning how they cope and overcame these experiences teach us valuable lessons about resilience, self-acceptance, and the importance of support. By discussing this topic, we hope to promote awareness, empathy, and respect for all individuals regardless of their gender. This is a chance to challenge harmful stereotypes and reinforce the idea that everyone deserves dignity, equality, and understanding. Let this serve as a reminder that our words and actions matter, and we all share the responsibility of creating a more inclusive and accepting community. This interview of Miss Joycidel Bombita has given us a deeper understanding of how gender issues affects individuals in their daily lives. It showed us the importance of acceptance, empathy, and respect, especially for those who are still learning to embrace who they are. We learned that discrimination, no matter how small, can leave a lasting impact on someone's confidence. At the same time, we saw how strength and self-acceptance can grow from difficult experiences. This reminds us that everyone deserves to feel valued and understood. A daily reminder that everyone deserves to be seen, heard, and accepted for who they truly are. Equality begins when we choose understanding over a judgment. As we move forward, let us continue challenging stereotypes and promoting equality in our own ways. Thank you for watching, and may we all choose kindness and support for one another. Again, we are from BTVT Ed FSM 3A, Josephine Barra, Nicole Diaz. A reminder that equality is for everyone. Let us all spread love and respect.